Hi guys, and thank you for watching. And this program is verify title. Verify this particular application title. This particular application title to verify that program how to write the particular program how to write, and so see this program. And let's start the video. And first of all, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And previously, I'm writing first program in Selenium, login logout. That program is successfully running. After the verify title, let's start the video and click on the class tc002 tc002 verify title return public static void main. Finish it, and let's write. I will copy it some launch browser and WebDriver. Video I will write. Video is lengthy, that's the reason I will copy and paste it. This is the launch browser. This is the verify like enter URL, and let's write verify title code, and I will write it driver dot get title and equals dot equals a particular orange HRM, and just write that orange HRM orange HRM new level of HR management. New level of HR management. New level of HR management. Let's check it. This is orange HRM new level of HR management. Okay, and this particular code is checking the project title. Driver means Chrome driver, and get URL that particular URL, that particular text title, and get title and equals to this particular string, this particular word, and equal to this particular words is matching this particular words is matching, that is a true condition, is a true, and print that match. Print this title is matched. Okay, is matched, and else is wrong, and sorry, says title is not matched. Okay, and let's control S and run this program. and open application, just verify it, and title is not matched. Title is not matched. Orange HRMS is not matched that particular title, and orange HRM orange, yeah, this is the orange. Orange is not like a big, sorry, orange is not capital, is small words, and smaller, not capital letters, is small letters. That's the reason is error. And let's one more check another type. We check it, and orange. Okay, we'll one more mistake. Control S, just is also not matched. YR is also not matched. New level of HR management. New level of HR management. That's spelling wrong. Orange. One more spelling mistake. Sorry guys. I will. And this time is matched. Guaranteed. And enter launch browser and enter URL. And is not title is matched. Finally is printed. Title is matched. And first will small mistakes. That's the reason is title is not matched. And this title is equals to that particular method is working, the condition is true, and title is matched. This is the verification of first application. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. I will write some more concepts. Thank you for guys.